Good morning, friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and in today's video we are finally starting the hallway. I've been picking up trim pieces now for over like a couple of weeks. I've been like picking up trim pieces here and there because it was going to cost, I mean, around, well, the last bunch I got was about 111 for some trim pieces, and then the big pack, like the value pack of 10 boards was $52. So here and there I've been like picking up some pieces to finally do the hallway. It's like the darkest hallway ever. There's only one light at the very end, which kind of stinks, but I thought about putting in some sconces with battery operated lights. I could do that eventually too, but we're gonna start on taking all of, I'm gonna switch you around and kind of show you what we're gonna do. Actually, that'll be easier. Okay, so here is the hallway. Here is all of my trim pieces that I've been collecting over the last few weeks. So I finally got them all done. This, oh my gosh, this hallway is so dark. Hopefully this will brighten it up. It probably won't because like I said, there's only one light down there, and then the next light you see is the dining room light. So it is very dark. So yes, I might get some sconces. We'll see. Just battery operated ones I don't have to hardwire in, because I think that would be the easiest. And then so today we're gonna be working on getting all these battens off and then the trim off. And then because there's little gaps underneath these battens, I've got to put some drywall mud on those to seal them so that when the wallpaper goes on it doesn't have like indents. So we're gonna do that. And I know I've shown you the wallpaper before, but here it is again. It's that board and batten paintable wallpaper, and it's a little bit thicker. It's kind of like, hold on, it's like thicker and it kind of feels foamy, but you just wet it, put it on, and like cut and things like that. So it's pretty easy to put on. I have talked to a few people that have used it and they loved it, said it was easy to work with. So I'm excited about that. And like I said, that is paintable. So we are going to paint it to match this. So this beadboard is thicker than this beadboard, but it's still the same look. So I don't think it'll be too bad because these boards were very expensive. It was much cheaper to go the wallpaper route. And then, so on this wall, I'm actually going to bring it up to probably about here. So it's going to be like there's the top. So it's going to be up a little bit more than half, and I think that that's the kind of look that I'm going for. There we go, keep getting fuzzy because it's so dark down there. But so the video may be fuzzy because we are going to be in a dark area, which kind of stinks, but I want to brighten this area up. I want it to make it look nice, and we're just going to work on it. Oh, and I did want to mention this too, because these are the boards that I have for around the door, as well as like, that's what I'm gonna use for baseboards. But this, they put in a new door, I'm not sure when, but when they did, they didn't take off the old trim around the door and they just put new trim over it, which I really don't understand why they did that. So we're gonna figure that out. We're gonna take the trim off there. And then I am gonna take the battens off around the doors. I'm not gonna do the bathroom yet because they're smaller areas. I could really only do I don't know how I'm going to do that. So I'm not going to touch that side yet, but I will take off the battens all down here, and I will trim out the door with regular trim and things like that. So that's what we're going to work on. I would love to do the new flooring because this is different. This is the same as what's out there, but in the laundry area, it is like faux wood vinyl linoleum flooring. So eventually we are going to put new flooring down in the whole house. Like the boys' rooms are done, those are done, but we still need to do our room, the hallway, but the hallway connects to the dining room and living room. So when we do this, it's all like one piece. But my thought was, my husband said it was actually a good idea, is to, and I know I'm getting off topic here, but we have this like little bit of I'm selling that, so disregard that. But we could probably do a transition strip here and have the flooring in there be like wood, like hardwood floor or whatever. And then I'm thinking in here have it different. I am looking at sourcing there's this vinyl flooring that I saw on another Canadian YouTuber's YouTube. She redid her kitchen, and they used like a diamond checkered linoleum, and it was black and white, and I really liked it. So I'm thinking of doing that in the kitchen dining room area, and then again transition strip near the hallway, and then putting the same wood flooring that's in the living room that we get in the hallway and go all the way down into our bedroom is what I'm thinking of doing. Let me know your guys' thoughts on that. And anyways, we need to start working on this because I only have so much time while Cooper's at school. He's only there for 2 hours, so we got to get moving on this stuff.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Okay friends, it is the next day. I think I filmed me, I'm like blurry. I'm always blurry. Anyways, I'm pretty sure I filmed me putting drywall mud on the areas where the battens used to be. And then this morning I did sand those down. I didn't film that part, but I did sand those down. But I think, oh, I'm breaking up bad. Anyways, I think, what am I gonna, it's gonna get dark because it is dark in this hallway. But I'm going to work on getting the trim. I'm gonna turn around the doors where you can see that. I'm gonna work on getting the trim around the doors this morning because Cooper's at school for 2 hours, and then so I can bring out my saw and like cut some pieces to get these done. So that's what I'm gonna do this morning, and then hopefully I can start working on the wallpaper. I'm just gonna trim out the doors. I'm not gonna do baseboards or anything like that because I'm gonna put the wallpaper up first, but I am gonna do the trim around the doors before I put up the wallpaper. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world inside the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
Okay, you guys, so I am gonna end the video here. I ended up getting the trim around the back door in our bedroom, and then I still need to finish by the bathroom door because I bought the wrong size trim. I needed 1.5 inches and I bought 1.25 inches, so it's a little bit too small for where I needed to go. So I need to go back to the hardware store and get the proper size that I need. And I'm gonna flip you around and kind of show you where I'm at, and then I'm gonna end this video here, and then in the next video, which I'm gonna start filming right away because it's one of those lucky days where Cooper was tired when he got home from school and has fallen asleep for a nap. So I'm gonna start putting the wallpaper up, but that'll be in the next video. I'm so excited. But anyways, I'm gonna flip you around, show you what the trim looks like, and we're gonna see you in the next video. Bye guys.